Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you for the chance to me to present the research that we have done in 2020 at the third International Conference on Applied Science and Technology. This research was conducted by Riyadi Purwanto as chairman, Dwi Novia, Rati Hafsari, and myself as member. To maintain school order, then the student must be given the penalty or sanction specified in school decision. SMK Negeri 1 Kamunganten, in process from the teaching and learning process that one cannot be separated from various problems of students who commit violation school rule. Various violations that are often committed by students in school include discipline, learning time, disrespectful attitude and harming others, fighting, smoking, consuming alcohol and drug, watching porn videos, promiscuity, and other forms of violation. Each violation has a point value and sanction that vary according to the type of violation. At a certain point limit, the school will determine the level or and type of punishment in the form of warning letter, parent summon, suspension, and dropout. Police at SMK Negeri 1 Kabanganten know the instrument used are still conventional. Calculation of the point or violation is still in the form of paper-based that is prone to error or human error. Is very likely to occur due to factory like and dislike, and taken become inappropriate. This cause frequent complaint by student and parent to school. Decision support system is a part of computer-based information system that is included in the knowledge management-based system. And the concept of the SAW method is to find the weight sum of its other alternative on all attributes. The sum method only performs the normalization process by having a metric where view from the column and row the maximum value and the minimum value. Decision table are tables that are used as a tool to solve logic in program. An algorithm containing multi-level decisions are difficult to draw directly with pseudocode can be made in advance using the decision table. School rules are provisions that govern life at school and contain sanctions against violator. Violation of school rule can be grouped into some categories like administrative violation, aesthetic violation, and ethical violation. Application development in this study use the Weatherwall method, which consists of several phases, like analysis phase, to analyze of the problem and information about the type of student violation, and the sense state, to analyze about flowchart, system analyze, relationship, and database, and then implementation phase to system design that has been made will be implemented in the coding program. After then, testing and maintenance phase. There are two users who use the application, namely the counseling teacher and the headmaster in flowchart system. Headmaster can receive the information punishment and the enter process check punishment. If check punishment approved, headmaster can give a punishment. Yeah. The system have many steps like a decision table and making decision table and then the classification table. Based on the number of conditions selected, it can be determined the number of possible events that occur. in this case as many as 8 possible events. There are some classification with category, with point and punishment and action. Then it is formulated that there are 5 actions to be taken along. There, no violation, warning letter 1, warning letter 2, and warning letter 3 until dropout. Calculation program in SAW method, making a decision table. How to input the metric value? For example, alternative 1, name Maulana Alif Anugrah has criteria 1, 17, criteria 2, 4, and criteria 3, 0. Look at the value of the weight in the value range 0 to 20 so that the value of the criteria 1 metric has a weight of 1. Then, next, look for the normalization value metric. The initial step for normalization metric value is to find the maximum value in column criteria 1 of all alternative. This is maximum value is known to be 2. For the first criterion, it is obtained by dividing the value on the criteria 1 criterion by the maximum value of criteria 1. So that the normalization value of criteria 1 is 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. This 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 is 2 divided by 2 is 1, etc. Then to find the normalization metric value on the second criteria, this is namely by finding the minimum value in column criteria 2 all of alternative. This is okay. The minimum value is known to be 1. To be 1. So that the normalized value of criteria 2 alternative 1 is 1 divided 1 is 1. This is 1 divided 1 is 1. This is 1 divided 2 is 0.5. This is 1 divided 1 is value 1. This is 1 divided 3, 0.33, and etc. For calculating the value of the normalization metric on the third criterion for each alternative is the same as the calculation of the search for value of the first criterion. Okay. Then the final calculation is carried out by finding the weight value of each criterion. This is the weight for each criterion are criteria 1 is 30%, criteria 2 is 20%, and criteria 3 is 50%. So that the weight value of criteria 1 alternative 1 is normalized value of criteria 1 alternative 1 cross weight value of 30%. This is 0.5 cross 30%. This is 1 cross 20%. This is 0.5 cross 50%. For alternative second, this is 0.5 cross 30%. This is 1 cross 20%. This is 1 cross 50%, etc. Furthermore, the weight value is obtained by adding up the weight value of each criterion. The weight value reflects the total point of the violation which result in 5 decision. No violation if the weight value is in the range between 0 to 20. Warning letter 1 if the weight value is less than equal to 30. A second warning letter if the weight value is less than equal to 50. A third warning letter if the weight value is less than 100. And the last drop out if the weight value is more than equal to 100. The following show the interface of the resulting system in the form of 5 categories of decision. Based on research that has been done by developing a decision support system to determine the punishment of problem student using the decision table and the SAW method. In conclusion, the system is very helpful in making the police of giving sanction to students who commit violation. As suggestion for system development is to add an SMS gateway function that can provide information on student violation automatically to parent. That's the presentation for me. Thank you for the attention given. Alhamdulillah and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.